In the Enter Credits tab, you have the ability to enter and modify credits. Credits allow you to enter and track paid amounts that cannot be directly attached to a specific charge given the nature of the payment or the timing of the payment. Credits are typically used when entering a patient copayment when a charge has not been entered for the patient's visit, but they can also be used for other types of patient credits, insurance credits, and when tracking insurance retractions that require a refund. To enter a credit for a patient in the payment screen, access the applicable patient for whom you want to enter a credit, and then click the Enter Credits sub-tab. In the Enter Credits screen, click the New button. The bottom of the screen will now become active, allowing you to configure the credit information. Select the Do you want to include this payment in the deposit summary option. Yes to include the credit in the deposit, and no not to include the credit in the deposit. In the Amount field, enter the amount of the credit. And then in the Credit Type field, you can select Insurance, and then the applicable insurance if this credit is from an insurance company, the patient if this credit is from the patient, system if the credit is from the application, or copay if this is for a patient copayment. Whenever a credit is entered with a copay credit type, the system will alert the user that a copay credit exists when entering a charge for the applicable patient and will automatically populate the Charge List Quick Pay dialog. In the Type field, enter the appropriate payment type code or search for it by clicking the Lookup button or pressing F3. Next, you can enter the check number if applicable, and then enter the date paid. You can then enter or search for a billing provider and/or a facility to be associated with the credit if needed, as well as selecting a specific case for which the credit is for, if applicable. You can also select the Print Credit on Patient statement if you would like the credit to appear on the patient billing statement. When finished, click the Save button, and the credit will be added to the credit list above.